5 best methods to retain what you study. Taking notes during your study sessions can help you to remember information better. Make sure to include critical points and other key details in your notes. Memory tricks such as acronyms, mnemonics, and visualization can be extremely helpful to remember information. Take the time to create a mental image or a story for the material you're studying. You can check out our dental videos designed to create an everlasting visual memory. Connecting related concepts together can help you to remember them better. Try to make connections to other topics you have already studied. Active learning techniques such as mind mapping, flashcards, or group discussions can be effective in helping to remember new information. Finally, getting enough sleep is key to help you to better retain information. Sleeping after studying helps to strengthen the connections between neurons, which improves memory recall.